Imagine rushing to class, juggling a T-square, your blueprints and sketches. It's stressful and a daily hassle for architecture and engineering students everywhere. What if I told you that we got just the solution to make transporting essentials, drafting tools effortless and eco-friendly? The SquareMate Duo is here to solve this problem. Design is an all-one solution. It combines the T-square holder and blueprint canister in one compact bag, making it easier than ever for students and professionals to carry those essentials in one go. No more juggling multiple times. SquareMate Duo make it simple, practical, and sustainable. With SquareMate Duo, we focus on providing a unique solution for architecture and engineering students and professionals facing challenges in transporting their drafting tools. This innovative product integrates the key, square holder, and canister with one compact unit, eliminating the need for multiple bags and reducing clutter. Designed with user comfort in mind, it features soft, organic cotton strap for easy carrying. Additionally, reparative sustainability by using recycled materials, aligning with eco-friendly practices. This combination of practicality and environmental responsibility makes the SquareMate Duo as an essential tool for a target market. Commuting can be a struggle for everyone, but for those who rely on T-Square bag for work or study, it can feel like an even bigger hassle. So we approach the problem. That's why I excited to introduce an innovative solution, SquareMate to Imagine, a product that combines particularly a T-square and a canister into one sleek design. The SquareMate Duo is not only simplifies your commute, but also rolls up for easy storage, saving and eliminating the need for an extra bulk. No more fussing bulky item or struggle to find room for everything you need. In the SquareMate Duo, commuting is made easier and more efficient. Now, this is compartment really makes the SquareMate Duo game changer for student and professional alike. This is all-in-one design combines a T-square bag and a detachable canister, which means less clutter, easier transport, and very budget-friendly. It's crafted from recycled, durable materials, so it's not only practical but also a sustainable choice. And when it comes to functionality, the Duo shines. Everything you need is right there at your fingertips, helping you to stay organized and efficient as truly designed with the user in mind. Blending convenience, eco-consciousness, and streamlined access to tools. The SquareMate Duo sets itself apart from the traditional T-square bags and standalone canister by offering seamless all-in-one solution for design and architecture professional and students. Unlike competing product that requires separate bag for T-square and canister for blueprints, the SquareMate Duo combines both in a single compact unit, reducing clutter and enhancing portability with eco-friendly materials and modular design for easy repair and longevity. It's not only practical but also aligned with sustainability goals. SquareMate Duo is the smarter, more efficient choice in a market, still relying on outdated single function tools. Thank you for listening.